up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to send and receive Bitcoin using the Cashapp. So as you probably know from my previous videos, Cashapp allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin. You can tap on the dollar amount on the top of the screen and then swipe right, and that will bring you to the Bitcoin section. And this is where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. However, you can also send this Bitcoin that you own to a different wallet. To do that, you want to be on the home screen, and then you can tap your icon on the top left. That's going to open up sort of the menu here. And then what you want to do is scroll down until you see Bitcoin, and then you can tap on Bitcoin. And then it'll give you a little more information, and you want to scroll down to this wallet section. If you don't have the wallet section yet, there will be a section here that says verify your identity. So go ahead and tap on that, and then fill out the necessary information to verify your identity. And then basically this will give you your Bitcoin wallet address, and you'll be able to send money to this address or withdraw money from your Bitcoin wallet to a different Bitcoin wallet. If you want to send money from your Cashapp here to a different wallet, you would want to hit withdraw Bitcoin. Then you can select the amount here, hit withdraw on the bottom. And then if the wallet that you're sending to has a QR code, you can go ahead and scan that here or hit enter manually. If you do enter manually, you're going to paste in the wallet address from wherever you want to send this to. So you would paste that in and then just hit next and hit done on the confirmation. But yeah, that's how you find your Bitcoin wallet information using the Cashapp. Just go to the menu here, tap on Bitcoin, and then you can scroll down and it's going to give you your wallet address. In this section right here is what you're going to use to send and receive Bitcoin to different wallets. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. I hope you guys found this video helpful.